Hello everyone, welcome to this new video, which is part of a video series I'm making about the best AI voice generators. So I'm trying different tools to see what's the best alternative out there. In today's video, I'll be showing you Murf AI, which I can tell is an excellent software. I have tried myself for personal and business projects, and it has given me some of the best results I have seen in a AI voice generator. So let's see what can Murf AI do. So let's go to the browser, type Murf.ai. This is the website. Of course, it shows us what the software can do. It gives you an idea of different type of voices and different purposes. Well, it's pretty simple. And if you click on this play button, it will give us a sample of different voices.
Back in 1779, the first model of the human vocal tract was created that could produce the 5 long vowel sounds.
So how good is that? Seriously, guys, this is one of the best AI voice generators I have seen. It's super simple to use. Of course, this is a paid software. Let's see. It has a free plan, and with this free plan you can try all 120 voices. You can use it to generate 10 minutes of voice generation and transcription. But the problem with this plan is that you can't download the audio clips. So if you like this software as an option for a personal or business project, you will need to choose any of these paid plans. But at least the basic is pretty cheap. In a monthly basis will be $19. So it's not bad at all. I think it's a very competitive price. So, well, the first thing you need to do is to create an account. Once you have done that, you will need to log in and go to the studio. This is a studio where you will see all your projects and you can create new projects. Also, you can create workspaces, which I haven't done that, but I think it's like if you have different clients, you can create like different directories, so you keep things organized. So let's create a new project to show you how this works. So I'm just gonna call this is a new project. You can choose like different templates, and I tried this. I think what this does is that helps the system recommend you different voices depending on the purpose you're choosing. For example, if you going to create an audio project for a podcast and you choose podcast, it will recommend you the better voices for that purpose. As well, in this software you can create videos. Well, you can upload different video clips and match them with audio clips. So let's create a blank project. So as you see, it's very simple. You have this input text where you will enter in your script and you can write it down, or you can import your script in different formats. Super simple. You can add media like stock music. You can choose it from stock music that the platform has, or you can upload your own music or different types of images, videos, different types of multimedia assets. Also, it has this voice changer. I haven't tried this, but I guess what this does is if you have an audio clip and you upload it, you will be able to change it for maybe one of the voices that the software has. And here you can explore all the AI voices that the platform has to offer. As you can see, it has many. Here we are seeing just the English ones. but you have different languages: Spanish, German, French, Chinese. So you have these filters for female, male, different age groups, and of course you can listen a sample of each voice. So let's hear Terrell.
It only takes one voice at the right pitch to start an avalanche.
Seriously, that was super natural, sounded great. Let's hear, I don't know, Samantha.
Unwrap the rumpled golden cover to reveal a chocolatey treasure that combines.
Sounded great. And as you can see, there are some pro voices that has this label, and other one that doesn't have that. I guess you can choose the pro voices probably in one of the paid plans. Probably I don't know, I think it's the pro plan. So that's it. I have a project already made here. So let me show you how this works. So you will be entering different blocks with text. You can also, or let me create a new one from scratch. So I'm gonna create a project about the Beatles. I'm gonna go to the Beatles Wikipedia. I'm just gonna copy and paste this. So once we have created a blank project, we can paste here our text, and it will give us these alternatives. So you can split the script, which is the recommended option, or by paragraphs, or you can split it by sentences. I'm going to keep the recommended option. So paste script, and there you go. Then you need to choose which voice we want for this project. Let's hear Marcus.
We are innate, and we believe in breaking every unattainable beauty.
It only takes
I
one.
like Terrell, so I'm gonna choose that one. You can adjust the pitch, the speed, and you can add a pause, I guess, in different paragraphs or sentences between each. So once you have added your script, you can click on this play button and it will generate the voice for the whole script, or you can do that by sentences. One very important thing is that every time you click on to generate an audio clip, if it's the entire script or a paragraph, it will discount minutes that you have available. So do that with precaution, because you have up to 10 minutes at least in the free plan. So let's hear this first paragraph. So click there, just wait a minute. And let's hear it.
The Beatles were an English rock band formed in Liverpool in 1960 that comprised John Lennon, Paul McCartney, George Harrison, and Ringo Starr.
So I think it's great. Like, seriously, guys, I have tried many voice generators, and this is one, I think it's probably the best one I have tried so far. It gives you different options. Of course, you need to pay to access these premium voices, but it's not that expensive. As you heard, the results are great. Sounds very natural. The time is great. The pitch is great. And another thing that the software has that I think it's a great feature is that, for example, you can select a word and adjust the pronunciation, which sometimes when these AI voice generators try to pronounce a name, a brand, a word that is not a very common word. The pronunciation is not good, so you can adjust that with this option, and it will sound perfect. So if we click here, it will generate the whole audio clips for the entire script. Of course, it will take a moment, and probably we will see here discounting the 9 minutes that we have left. So we're ready. It's building the preview. Let's
The
click on
Beatles
play.
were an English rock band formed in Liverpool in 1960 that comprised John Lennon, Paul McCartney, George Harrison, and Ringo Starr. They are regarded as the most influential band of all time and were integral to the development of 90s.
So how good is that? And as you can see now, we have 8 minutes available. If I try to export this, I can try to do it, but well, I choose a Pro voice, but if I change the voice to one that is not Pro, like, I don't know, Claire, for example.
Imagine waking up.
I'm gonna try to download it, but as I said before, in the free plan you can't upload. We will need to upgrade to a paid plan. But that's it. It's super simple to use. It has a great catalog of different voices for different languages from different countries with different accents. So I think it's a great tool. I'll be using it for different projects, and as I said, it has given me some of the best results between different platforms I have tried. So I will leave a link in the description. It's an affiliate link, which if you use to buy a plan, it will give me a small commission, which helps me making these videos. So I hope you like it. I hope you find this useful. As I said in the beginning, this is part of a video series I'm making about trying different AI voice generators. I will leave a video at the end so you can see another alternative, a free one. And that's it. So thanks for watching, and please, I truly appreciate if you subscribe to the channel, like the video, and if you have any questions or comments, please leave them in the comment section down below the video. Thank you guys.